In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap pie charts in Tableau effortlessly. Understanding how to dynamically switch between different pie charts can greatly enhance the interactivity and usability of your dashboards, making them more engaging for end users. Let's dive into the steps and set this up. First, open the Tableau public app. This tool is powerful for visual analytics, and you'll find it quite user-friendly. After launching the app, access your worksheet. You probably already have a data set in mind that you'd like to analyze with pie charts, so ensure you're ready to load that data into the app. For each pie chart you want to swap between, it's essential to create a separate worksheet. Use the data you've prepared and build these pie charts as you normally would. When creating multiple visualizations, clarity is key. Therefore, name each sheet in a way that describes the data it represents. Consider titles like sales by category or profit by region to keep things straightforward and organized. Next, we're going to use parameters, which are incredibly useful for dynamically controlling aspects of your dashboard. In the data pane, find the drop-down arrow and select Create Parameter. Name this parameter something intuitive, set the data type to string, and the allowable values to list. This setup allows you to tailor the parameter exactly to your needs. Fill this list with values that correspond directly to the names of your individual pie charts. This way, each chart will be represented as an option when using the parameter. Following that, you'll create a new calculated field. Give it a clear name, then type your query and click OK. The calculated field will help determine which chart to display based on your parameter selection. Now, create a new dashboard. Within this dashboard, drag all your individual pie chart worksheets into a single container, either vertical or horizontal, depending on your preference. By housing all pie charts in one container, you ensure they can be easily controlled by our previously created parameter. This setup is crucial for effectively swapping between charts based on user interaction. The next step involves placing the calculated field onto the filter shelf for each pie chart sheet. This action allows you to filter which pie chart is visible at any given time. Configure each sheet's filter to display only when its corresponding value is selected from the parameter. Finally, revisit your dashboard. Click on the drop-down icon, navigate to Parameters, and select the parameter you created. By doing this, you enable the dynamic swapping of pie charts, making the user's experience seamless and interactive. There you have it, a straightforward and effective way to swap pie charts in Tableau. By following these steps, you can create dynamic dashboards that are both interactive and insightful. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore these features further for even more engaging visual analytics.